Hello, everybody, and welcome to today's demo here on the Legendary Neurotoxin channel, checking out Plantera. This is a game that I got access to via Keymailer, and I wanted to check it out. It looked like a fun little game. It looked like maybe the aesthetic of Maple Story, but the format of a gardening game. So let's get on into it here. In fact, since this is the very beginning, let me just reset so you can see the title screen. I've not played it at all yet, first time, so let's see how it is. I think the game's only $2.99 on Steam, so pretty low price, and it's only an 18 megabyte download. So this is definitely a game about features and not about having tons of graphics and art and all that stuff. So I use the W and A to kind of scroll around. See, what can I do here? With 3, I can plant myself a garden. Alright. Wait. Smash that dude. Okie dokie. Seems pretty simple. I wonder what all formats it's available on. So 5. Oh, 8. Alright. 8 means... no, so just getting the other one of these. Oh, just plop that down right there. Carrots. Level 2. Huzzah! So I guess after I'm finished being the carrot tycoon, I get to move on and access other things. Oh, I get my first tree. Lovely. So, pretty simple premise. You know, this easily could have been a game on, say, Facebook, or done in a mobile format. All right, level 3. Got a second little helper dude. Smack bird. Bird's hungry too, but go to someone else's garden. Bigger tree. I'll put that here. Smack the bird. Grab those. Apples. I guess this is a third layer actually with the apples here. Might as well get some more carrots going. And some more of these. Use one of those. I guess they're only one apiece. So, yes, berry clicker. Fruit and berry veggie clicker. Simple progression. Definitely a simple, family-friendly sort of game. It's a whole lot of dang clicking though. Don't know what that is, but okay. Definitely wish it had an auto click of some sort. another one of these screws down. And level 5 will get the next gardening tree that we can use. I'm guessing it's going to be a 2-coin value instead of a 1-coin value. Like guard things? Should I be deploying them on the sides there like that? Or not 100% sure what they do actually. That's one of the things there. The game definitely doesn't have much explanation anything. So that's actually really good for localizing it to different places. It's just a matter of using whatever symbols they use for numbers, and pretty much good to go. Alright. I guess I can't uproot that one. What the heck is that thing doing there? Or, oh, I see. Those are chickens. They leave little eggs around. That makes more sense. This is pretty much the area for me to cover here. Oops, clicked off the screen, so I see I can just kind of drift off the edge there. So, you know, bringing in a fairly decent stash right now. Don't know how long till the next level up. I guess that's down there. Don't have access to the guard dog yet. Okay, so another helper. Bushes. How do I confirm delete? Whatever. So yeah, it's just a whole bunch of clicking around the screen, a little bit of progression elements, so we'll see a little bit further with it, how it goes, and if the elements really get particularly more challenging, or if it's just more of the same, it's just kind of a build up and cover your infrastructure sort of thing. I really wish I knew how I could throw that thing away though. Oh, there we go. Might as well get rid of all the lower producers. That clicking off the screen thing is kind of annoying. Very quickly. So, I mean, the currency accumulates pretty quickly. Level 7, new trees, alright. You know, while I'm here, I'm actually gonna move those. Won't let me. I guess I had to take down that creature first. Won't let me destroy that one. Whatever. So really, this is the main area that I'm covering. I guess I should probably have at least one more set of things out just to level them up quicker. So yeah, definitely very casual game aside from the fact that it is, you know, moving and clicking around the screen. That, you know, the stakes aren't really very high. Even if I let the creatures come and attack my stuff, I don't think they're really going to do that much damage. Here, look, let's see what it does. Oh no, it's going to steal a carrot. Big deal. What are you going to do? You going to steal a carrot too? You going to steal a beet? You can hit him anyway. You gonna go to steal an egg, or you actually steal a chicken? I don't know what you think you're doing, buddy. Yeah, I mean this is mostly the extent of the game. There isn't, like I said, guard dogs that you get to deploy. Could expand or not. Seriously though, I'm pretty sure I could just leave the game on autopilot and not keep on accumulating. Maybe the chickens will get run out, but other than that, that's no biggie. Pig. Does it drop little bacons or something? Let's see. Oh, no. It drops fertilizer. 2. Let's see what it does if I let that, I guess, fox do what it does. Does it actually chase them off screen? No. It just chases them so they can't lay eggs. Okay. So like I said, the game was only 18 megabytes, so you can see there aren't really a lot of assets to it. The music's pretty much, you know, it's a couple minutes worth, 3 minutes worth of music, but not like, you know, this gigantic soundtrack or whatever. I don't want to expand it yet. However, I will maybe get another piggy. Yeah, let's get another people. It'd be better if it laid out little bacons for me, though. If I just smack the creatures and pick up the little butterfly things, how well will it work? It seems like they're picking up a fairly decent amount of the stuff on their own. I don't know if stuff degrades. I mean, I can kind of go across and pick up all the stuff that's been dangling for a while. I went to level 9 unlock. Oh. Why can I not throw this one away? Just put something over top of it? No. Well, let's see. Do I need another tree behind it or something? I'll put one of these down. No. That one's just straight up broken. Oh well. Well, that's not cool. You know what? Let's quit, reopen, see if that allows us to delete it or not. Oh, well, la-di-da. Right. Yeah, there we go. That one out of there. That one out of there. Whoops, that was the wrong thing. Those were many wrong things there. Trash that. This guy here. Whoops! Clicked off the screen again. That's not cool. Probably would be better if things didn't get close to the sign, if there was maybe like a little ramp or something on either side that just made the things kind of roll away so you don't click the sign when you're trying to click the other stuff. Or you're clicking a pile of stuff in a row. Alright, once you hit level 10, I think it's going to open something up here. I wonder if you need to get the expansion first before it'll actually give you the guard dog. Let's try that. Nope. Each one costs a little bit more. Oh, I see, it extends in both directions. Oh, I see. I just needed to click over. I thought it was the tab I needed to unlock. Put one of you there. Get rid of that. Up. What the heck is this guy? Okay. What's up? Is the guard dog laying down the law over there? Get my two scarecrows up. Really have to worry too much about birds anymore. stuff's rolling in at a pretty decent pace here. Yeah, I mean, this is what Plantera is, everybody. I think I'm gonna wrap up the stream here. So thank you all very much for tuning in. This is Plantera that I've been playing. It is available on Steam. I believe it is $3, $2.99 in at least USD. So yeah, I will be back again sometime soon when we've got another game to show off once more comes through from the Keymailer queue. And thanks again, Keymailer, for helping me get access to Plantera for this little demo here. Till then, folks, I'll see you later.